Go from this to this with this. The first thing you'll need to do is head on over to heatpressnation.com and click on Custom Transfers. From there, find HPN TruePrint DTF Custom Heat Transfers. I was able to fit all 3 images on a single 4x4-inch transfer, but you could pick whatever size you need. Click Build Design Sheet to open our online designer. There, you could upload your artwork, arrange your gang sheet, and place your order. In just a few days, you'll have professionally printed DTF transfers delivered right to your door. Now it's time to heat press your hat. Set your hat press to 300 degrees for 10 seconds with medium firm pressure. Place your hat on the lower platen and pre-press it for about 5 seconds to eliminate any wrinkles and moisture. Cut your transfer off the gang sheet, then place it on the hat. I like to use a little heat tape to help position it properly and keep it in place. Cover it with parchment paper and press. When the timer reaches 0, open the press and peel the backing off in a quick, smooth motion. For the best results, repress your transfer with parchment paper for about 5 to 10 seconds. You can repeat this process on other sections of the hat for additional customization. And there you go. It really is that easy to have a professionally made, fully custom hat that's ready to gift, sell, or wear yourself. This process is completely scalable. You could order 1 transfer at a time or get a huge gang sheet to print all of your customers' orders. The more you order, the lower your cost per print will be, meaning there's more money in your pocket. And this is perfect if you want to start making money with DTF, but you're not quite ready to make the investment in a DTF printing system. I absolutely love that the only piece of equipment that you need to start printing hats is a hat press. And at Heat Press Nation, we have the largest selection of professional heat presses in the USA. We also have all of the equipment and supplies you need to start printing with direct-to-film, sublimation, heat transfer vinyl, and more. Get your printing business started today at heatpressnation.com.